Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Grab a large mixing bowl and it's time to combine your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of whole kernel corn, drained, and 1 can of cream-style corn. Cube an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and toss it in. Don't forget a can of diced green chilies, drained, for that extra kick. Now melt half a stick of unsalted butter and pour it over your ingredients. Stir everything together until you have a well-mixed casserole base. Next, it's time to add a little personal touch. Season your mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Now, pour your well-seasoned mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. If you're feeling a little cheesy, sprinkle some shredded cheddar evenly over the top. It adds a beautiful golden crust that's simply irresistible. Slide your dish into your preheated oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes. When it's hot and bubbly, you'll know it's ready. Take it out of the oven and give it a moment to cool slightly before serving. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.